Okay, day 3, day 2 of troweling here at Deer Ridge. Gonna be with Graham and Nate today. We're gonna be finished up completely this afternoon. We just have this landing to do, big set of stairs and 2 entranceway stairs. So enough talking and back to the time lapses. Okay, that is a wrap here at Deer Ridge Golf Course in Kitchener, Ontario. All in all, 6.5 hours of troweling today, but again, a lot of little finicky stuff with the stairs, and then only 3 of us here today. Not the big army like the previous one. So hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to get in contact with us, shoot us a message. My brain's mush. Long day in the sun, and we'll see you next time.